Okay, students, observe here. This is the question from circles. Depends upon the quant-cyclic concept. Observe the question construction. Two rods of lengths A and B slides along coordinate axis such that their ends are concyclic. Locus of the center of the circle is the first option 4 times of x square plus y square is equal to a square plus b square. Second option 4 times of x square plus y square is equal to a square minus b square. Third option 4 times of x square minus y square is equal to a square minus b square. And fourth option xy is equal to ab. Now this is the question. Now we are going to solve the question. Now solution for this one. We have to take the circle and the given two rods of lengths A and B taken as the two lengths PQ slide on x-axis and one more rod RS slide on y-axis. That means coordinate axis taken as the rods where PQ slide on x-axis and RS slide on y-axis. What is the length of PQ? PQ is equal to small a and RS is equal to small b. Now let us consider the locus of the center is C x comma y. Locus of the center is C x comma y. Okay. Now draw the projection of C on x-axis, that is M. That's why CM is equal to y and this is N. Cn is equal to x, right? Again, now this is CP is the radius and CR is also the radius. Since according to the circumradius, that means according to the definition of the circumcenter, which is equidistant from the vertices, that means the point which is equidistant from the points on the circumference of the circle, such that CP is equal to CR. Now CP is equal to CR. Now PM. What is PM? PM is half of PQ, that is A by 2. And what is RN? RN is also half of SR, that is B by 2. Now from the circle concept, that is CP is equal to CR. Apply squaring on both sides. CP square is equal to CR square. Are you clear? Now CPM, from triangle CPM, CP is the hypotenuse. That's why according to the Pythagoras theorem, CP square is equal to PM square plus CM square. So that is PM square plus CM square is equal to CR. CR. This is also from Pythagoras theorem from the right angle triangle CNR. That is CR square. That means CN square plus NR square. CN square plus NR square. That's why what is PM? PM is A by 2. That's why it's square. A square by 4 plus what is CM? That is CM is Y. So it is Y square. And what is CN? That is X. So X square. Now what is NR? That is B by 2. That's why B square by 4. Are you clear? Now after simplification we get this is 4 times of x square minus y square is equal to a square minus b square. That's all. Now that is in third option. That's all. Okay. Right.